To create a system restore point on Windows 10, click on Search and type Create a System Restore Point. Click Open under the Create a Restore Point search result. If you find the local disk C protection off, turn it on. Click Configure and select Turn on System Protection. Now allot the maximum disk space for Windows to store system restore points. I am allotting it 7%. You can allot it from 5 to 10%. If you have less space on C drive, then 2 to 3% will also be fine. Click Apply and then click OK. Now click Create. Give a name to your restore point. You can give any name. I am entering today's date. The restore point has been created. Click Close. To view the created restore point, click System Restore. If you see any pop-up here, select Choose a different restore point. Click Next. Here, you can view all restore point. To create a system restore point on Windows 11, click on Search and type Create a System Restore Point. Click Create a Restore Point. Here you can see that system protection is already on for my C drive. So I do not need to configure it. Now select your C drive and click Create. Give name to your restore point and click Create. The restore point has been created. To view all restore points, click System Restore, select Choose a different restore point and click Next. Here you can see all the restore points. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe my channel.